We have 5 dirty, stinky, flea, tick-covered, now playing in the water, getting extra muddy puppies. And I know what you're thinking. This is the worst idea you've ever had. Oh, now all my dogs are barking too because they hear other babies crying. But they all need a bath. Yes. So this is going to be really exciting. You're still so shy. Huh? All right, let's go. So everybody gets a collar, right? You see that? Roundworm, deep worm. Can you see it? That? And over here there's more. We got lots of worms. Great. That's disgusting. Lots of worms. That means we gotta get everybody dewormed. Huh? Great. Hey, huh? Come on. So this is the biggest one. No treats yet. You get him after your bath. His name is Sunday. Right? Hi. What do you think of this? Okay, sweet Sunday. It's okay. We're gonna get you clean, okay? Look at this. Wow. Gotta wait. You want treats now, huh? Because you were a good dog. Run around in the sunshine and dry off. Each puppy's gonna get a little one-on-one time so I can kind of get to know their personalities. Hi, he's a happy boy. He loves people. If you can't tell, he loves attention, right? You want treats? Good dog. No cheating. Come here. You can't do that ahead of time. Sit. Speak. 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 Good boy. Shake. Nope. Cat paw. Good boy. Another paw. Good boy. Speak. Good dog. Good boy. Working on this for 2 days. You were so smart. You think of all those. It's kind of scary. No, you were brave for a second. Now you're not so sure. Come here. Come on, good dog. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's a pony. Say hi, Peep. Who already tried to jump in the pool, so hopefully that's a good sign that you're gonna like it. Up and in. I know you're itchy. That feels good, huh? I'm gonna get you all soapy, okay? Good boy. Ears are filled with ticks. Absolutely disgusting. Oh, baby. Oh, you poor things. I gotta go get all this taken care of. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Wow. You okay now? That was kind of spooky. We pulled off a few of the ticks that I could get out. You have to be careful with that though. If you don't know how to do it, if you've never done it before, go to a vet and they'll do it. Now we gotta get you guys so many treatments. You poor itchy, sick things. Oh, don't roll, we're clean, silly. You're gonna get all dirty again. Let's play, huh? Get it, come on. Yeah, you are a happy, huh? You're a wild, crazy man, aren't you? Yeah, what? You're wild and crazy. Whoa, look at you run. Look at you run. Are you having fun? Huh? Whoa. Oh, what's that? You like the cat? The cat likes you. Come here, Peep. Sit. Okay. Your attention span, you know, you get there. I feel like Bean's eyes tell you everything you need to know about Bean. The sweet, look at those sad eyes. Oh, you belong in an ASPCA commercial. The head just sitting in my hand. Bean's a very shy, sweet puppy. Oh, kind of scared of stuff. Yeah, but happy, right? You're a happy boy. Oh, loves to do that. Loves to just squish his face right in you. I hope that this bath doesn't scare you too much, baby. Yeah, it's okay. You need it. Look at all this dirt. I think. Oh, you got soap on your face, silly. Oh, look at No, you thought about it and then your butt got wet. Huh. I don't want a wet butt yet. Oh my gosh, your face. And we probably actually needed some fresh water. Huh. So sweet. You're so sweet. Yeah. This is the one that actually was hiding in the hole. They were using, I don't know what, coyote hole or something. And so this one was the last one that I really saw. I was chasing the other four for a long time and just kept hearing like soft little cries from in this hole. I finally came out and laid right under a tree by the hole and just let me scoop him up. Huh. Just in a little ball. Yeah. You happy boy. Bean. Bean, Bean. You're so cute. Sweet baby. Yeah. So since Bean isn't really a hyper playful puppy, more of a relaxed, lazy puppy, I thought we'd just come and sit on the steps. Doesn't really want to run around the yard too much. Not yet. Yeah. I have a feeling you would be sweet to everyone. Yeah. Gentle, sweet, right? Well, I'll take it off. That's a little Bean. I'm just a little bit nervous. Yeah. We're not the bravest puppy yet. We get there. Then we have little Marshmallow. Hi, Marshmallow. This is the one that there's actually video of us trying to catch. The other ones I caught by myself before anybody got there. My mom, I was the one videoing everything. And she showed up for this last one because Marshmallow took forever to catch. Huh. Marshmallow, again, is kind of one of the shy ones. But sweet. Definitely bottom of the pecking order among the litter. Small one, you can tell, skinny, gets chased away from food a lot. Good. Oh, the hose part was scary, but we didn't move at all. Yeah. Hey, come on. Come here. That's so good. Wish you would have just done that in the woods. I was a little worried since he was so nervous to come to us in the woods. If it was going to take him a while to come around. But nope. Once he knew he was safe and we were nice, now he sticks pretty close, huh? We don't have to catch you a second time. That's what I was worried about. Yeah. Sit. 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 Good dog. Good dog. Bunny might be the most nervous. Bunny peed all over me when I finally caught him. Huh. He's got this almost full white collar. More ticks in their ears. Oh, you poor guys. Ready for your bath, Bunny? Are you? No. Well, you can do it anyways. And then I gotta clean. Oh gosh, I gotta spend like an hour. See, sweet, so sweet, but just gonna take someone who doesn't mind kind of boosting his confidence for a while. Yeah. Yeah, then I get to spend at least an hour hosing down, disinfecting, pest treating the first cage area that they were in. And basically that's my plan every couple of days, switching back and forth between them. Puppies are really messy and a lot of work, and I have 5 of them right now, so adopt them, please. I have to tell you guys, these puppies have been 20 times easier to bathe than any of my dogs. Look at this. Look at Bunny. He's just waiting like a good boy. My dogs would be all over the place. I'd be chasing them all over this yard. I'm pretty wet right now. I mean, they've done a good job, but no. 10 times worse if these were my dogs. Whew, there it is. I was waiting. You can't be unsupervised for too long. time to rinse off anyway. Yeah, you did good. You're good dogs. You really are. Sweet, absolutely sweet. Tail wags, but just kind of scared. Yeah, you're gonna take a nap. Oh, sweetie. Yeah, it's okay. I don't want any treats. You just want to lick me. That's very sweet, baby. Eat some. No, it's okay. Sweet baby. It's okay. Sweet baby. Yeah, it's okay. You're a sweet baby. Yeah. Look at everybody else waiting in the sunshine. Oh, they see me coming. Oh, hey.